Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a super quick, easy install on this little bob wig, which I think is so cute. It's fresh out of the box and I did not have to do a lot to it. So if y'all want to see the details and all of that, then keep on watching. And yeah. Okay dolls, so this wig is from Gorgius Hair. This is the box, super cute. So you can see it, okay? So it's like holographic, super cute. It says Defy and Define, okay? And then on the inside of the box, the wig was in this bag, which is really nice as well. So this is what the wig was in. And then also they did send a wig cap, but I just used one that I already had. And then also they sent this cute little bag. This is great to put like your little wig essentials in. They sent these super cute little hair clips. And then they also sent some bobby pins. So you could just like pin your wig down or do a style. They also sent some elastic if you want to sew this in. It does have an elastic band already in the wig. So I just used the one that was already on the wig. They sent some tweezers, which I appreciate because I always need tweezers. And they also sent an edge brush, which I did not need because this is bangs. So, you know, I'm not putting any edges out or anything. So the bangs were already cut on this wig. I did just go in and trim a little bit on the sides, make the bangs a little bit, you know, further out. But other than that, I really didn't do much to this wig other than pass the flat iron through it just a little bit on any areas that I felt like needed a little bit of flat ironing, because this wig is fresh out of the box. I did not bleach any knots, anything like that. So you will see how I made it look like scalp. And yeah, stay tuned for the video. Okay dolls, so this is the bag and then here's the wig fresh out of the box. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that to start off with. This is the inside construction of the wig. 2 combs on the front, 1 comb on the back, with an elastic band sewn into the wig, and then also the adjustable strap on the back. I am going to go in and just cut off the lace. It was kind of hard to show, but I'm basically just cutting as close to the hairline as possible because we do have bangs, so you can just go ahead and remove that. You can glue this wig down if you want to, but I'm not. And then I'm also going to go in and tint the lace. I'm just using my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator just to tint it a bit so that it can look more like scalp in the area that it is going to be parted. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on the wig. Sorry y'all, I have been having some allergies, so that's why I sound a little sick. But yeah, I'm just putting that all on the lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. Y'all can see Amiri coming to peek at me. And the wig looks crazy right now. It's giving Tina Turner. And then I'm going to just flip it back and you can see the scalp is already looking pretty nice just from tinting the lace. And then I'm just going to line it up because I do have a part down the center. And then also the bangs, I like to do that when I have bangs, but the wig already came like that. So it's just already pretty much done for you. Like the steps that you have to take to get this wig finished up is just so easy. And then I'm just going to take my flat iron and then go in and comb through the wig. I don't know why the fan just came on because I'm doing this on my laptop. I never use my laptop when I'm editing, so hopefully it's not too loud. But yeah, I'm just going to go in and flat iron the wig in any areas that I feel like need to be flat ironed, and then we will get these bangs together. So if you can see, the bangs are kind of in the center, which they should be. But I did need a little bit more bangs on the sides. Like the hair was already longer on the sides where I feel like it should have been a little bit more bangs. But if you just want to use this little center section that's already cut into bangs, then you could do that. They will just be a little bit more wispy and not as full. And I feel like I still didn't make them super full, but I just needed to cut off a little excess hair on the side. So you can see here, this is a little side portion. And I'm just going to take my shears and go in and cut this. I did kind of cut it at an angle, so it gave it more of a face frame into the bangs and the bob. So yeah, just cut this, and I'm going at a diagonal. And then I'll go ahead and do the other side as well, just taking a really small section where I feel like I need a little bit more bangs going across. And I'm going to do the same thing. So one side was a little bit sharper, so I will go back in and clean that up to make it a little bit more wispy. And I'm also going to go back in and grab that section and also grab my flat iron so that this section of the bangs that I just cut can have a little bump to them as well. And also whenever I do bangs, I always like to use some type of hairspray on the bangs because I feel like it just really lays the bangs in place and kind of holds them more so where I want them to be, and it gives that wispy look while holding it, so it's not just like flying all over the place and you have like a bunch of flyaways and stuff like that. So I'm just going back in and cleaning up my cut and everything like that, making this side a little bit more choppy and wispy. And then I will grab some spray and just comb everything into place. Like, this wig was so easy. The hair feels really nice. Like, I love a wig that is fresh out of the box and easy to install where I don't have to do a whole lot of work. So I am going to also use some more of my Ruby Kisses 3D face creator that I also used on the inside of the lace. I'm going to use it on top of the lace to further make the scalp pop out even more. Okay, dolls, so I'm going to also grab my hot comb and just kind of press right on top of it because I didn't get my hot comb out at all. So this is just going to help to lay this area down. So now I'm grabbing my hairspray and I'm just spraying around the top of the wig and also the bangs area. And then I go back in with my comb and just kind of like separate and comb the bangs down to my liking. And yeah, I feel like it already is looking pretty good. This little section, I had a little hump, so I'm just going to smooth that out with the comb, and I've already sprayed it with hairspray, so it's going to lay nice and in place. And you can see how it looks. It's just really cute. It's giving office and all of that. So yeah, this is how the wig is looking, and really simple and easy to install. And then I am going to show you the back and everything like that. So this is the completed look of the hair. So yeah, stay tuned for the outro, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, y'all, so this completes the look of this hair. I think it was really super simple and easy, and I love doing fresh out of the box because it saves me a lot of time with having to do all of the extra work with bleaching, plucking, all of that tea. And yeah, and this wig is also glueless, but you can also go in and glue it down if you want. The elastic band is pretty tight, so if it's snug to my head, I don't feel the need to glue it down. And most of the time if I do like a bangs unit, I usually like to do it glueless, and I'll just use like a wig grip to make sure that my wig is not going to slip back off of my head when I'm wearing it. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute, really cute for the summer or the fall. And I didn't even pull my hot comb out, so super easy and beginner friendly. Definitely check them out. The hair quality is really nice. The wig is also nice and full, even though it is a bob wig. So yes, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.